Are you looking for how to fix messenger call problem, messenger call not working? In this video, I show you how to fix messenger call problem. For solving this problem, go to Play Store, search for messenger, update messenger if available update. Now download any VPN, click on install, click on open, accept, click on cross, now connect, okay. Now go to settings, then go to apps or application management, then go to see all apps. Now find out messenger app, click on messenger, click on storage and cache, clear cache, force stop, click on permission, allow all permission. Now open messenger app, now call someone, now I hope that this method fix messenger call problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe Thomas Guide.